Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into Binance from Saudi Arabia in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your Binance app and then log in into your account. If you don't have an account here, you can just use the link that is given in the description if you want to get some extra perks and benefits when you create your account over here. Now, once you are here on the dashboard of Binance, simply tap on the More option, then tap on the P2P option. If you are not able to find P2P over here, I would recommend you to simply just use the search bar here in the top in order to search for P2P. So once you are in the P2P section, you need to make sure that you are on this Buy tab. But first, you may need to change the currency here. So tap on this drop down menu here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to just simply search for SAR, which is Saudi Riyal. Then it is going to show you all of the merchants from whom you can basically purchase USDT, and you can basically make these payments with the help of your bank account. So here you need to select any of the merchants, then tap on the buy option right next to their profile. Over here, enter the amount of SAR which you want to basically spend in order to purchase USDT. It is also going to show you the minimum value that you need in order to make that purchase. Over here, you can see we have the bank transfer option, but you can also tap on it and you can make the payment with the help of the given methods over here, like URPay, STC Pay, or BuyQ. After selecting the payment method, simply tap on this place order option over here, and then you will see the seller's bank details. So you need to open your bank account and enter the account details and transfer the specified SAR amount. And once you are done, you need to return to the Binance application and tap on the transferred and notify seller option. So the seller will verify their receipt and release the crypto. So once you get the USDT in your funding wallet, you can tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then tap on the funding over here in the top. After that, tap on the transfer option and you can get your USDT from your funding account to your spot wallet. With the help of that spot wallet, you will be able to use that USDT in order to purchase the coins on Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.